Hi everyone, welcome to Code with Learning. If you are new to Node.js and want a simple, quick start, this is the video for you. Today, I will guide you through setting up a Node.js project in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, we need to check if Node.js is installed or not. For that, we have to go inside the terminal and type command node-v and press enter. If you see a version number like this, that's great. If not, you can head to nodejs.org and download it. Once that's done, let's move on. Now, next, you have to create a folder for our project. You can name it whatever you like, but for now, I will write Node app. So for that, you will have to go inside the desktop, type the command cd desktop, press enter. Now we are inside the desktop. Now type the command mkdir, which will make the directory, means make the folder, and we are going to name this folder Node app and press the enter. Now we had successfully created the folder. And now we want to go inside this folder. So type the command cd node app. Now we are inside this node app folder. Next, we need to initialize the project. So run the command npm init-y. Now press the enter. This will generate a package.json file that contains details of your project. Here we get the name of the project, version of the project, and main means from where our file will started to run, and all our other configuration you will understand later. So now we are keeping it simple, so we are using -y flag to skip the questions. Now let's create the main file inside the folder. So open the folder which is on the desktop you have created. Open from VSCode, Visual Studio Code. Now you can see you have created the package.json file which is here. Now we have to create a base file and name it index.js. Inside this file, type console.log. Inside this console.log, type the message hello Node.js and save it. Now for running this, we have to go back inside the terminal and type the command node index.js because we want to run the file index.js and press the enter. Now you can see hello Node.js. And that's it. You have just set up a basic Node.js project. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Code with Learning. I had loved to hear your thoughts or suggestions for the next tutorial in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.